In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos and videos to your Files app on your iPhone. So what we can do is go to our photos, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit select. And I'm just going to pick some stuff here. I'm just going to pick a couple photos, maybe a video or two, kind of go through here, really anything that you want. And what you can do is once you have everything selected, go to your share button, which is always at the bottom left, and then scroll down to where it says save to files. So from here, you can kind of back out here and go to your browse kind of home. And what you can do is I'm just going to put it in my downloads folder under my favorites and hit save. Now it's saved, so we can go back and check. So I'm just going to go to the Files app. It should just be on your phone. And what you can do is go ahead to your download file folder where you just put it. And then you have your videos and your photos that you just saved onto your Files app. Now, there is a copy on your iPhone, but if you're someone who wanted to kind of transfer things to your Files app, to your iCloud, it automatically syncs up, so you could get rid of stuff in your gallery if you wanted to. And so that is how you would go about transferring your photos and videos to your Files app on your iPhone. Hope you guys found this useful and helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.